Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's solve this question in chemistry, and you need to have the periodic table nearby. We need the calculator nearby, the pen and the paper. Okay, so this is coming from mole concept, which involves concentration, the number of moles and the like. So the question is, what mass of sodium carbonate? Good part of the given the formula for sodium carbonate, but even though it's not given, you must know how to write this chemical formula. Okay, so what mass of calcium carbonate is required to make a 250 cubic centimeters solution whose concentration is 0.3 mole? Okay, we want to know the mass of sodium carbonate here. So what we are going to do first, we have to find the number of moles using the formula for concentration, because concentration is given and the volume is given. So we have to find the number of moles. Now we all know that the concentration is equals to the number of moles of a substance, moles over volume of a substance. Okay, now don't forget that when you're using the moles, volume must be in this meter cubic, which requires us to convert the 250 centimeter cubic into this meter cubic. How do we do that? We just divide this by 1000, because 1 decimeter cubic, 1 decimeter cubic is equivalent to 1000 cubic centimeters. So just divide the 250 by 1000 and it is giving us 0.25, I think. Yes, giving us 0.25 decimeters. So the concentration is given is 0.3. So we have 0.3, which is equals to number of moles, which we don't know here, number of moles over the volume of this substance, which is 0.25. Okay, so we need to multiply these two. You raise this one as a fraction, then you cross multiply. So 1 times mole, we have a mole is equals to 0.3 times 0.25, which is giving us 0.075. So 0.075. This is the number of moles of sodium carbonate. Number of moles of sodium carbonate. Okay. Now, when you have the number of moles, you can easily calculate its mass. The question is demanding us to find the mass, not the number of moles. So we have to use now the formula for number of moles in terms of mass, which is the number of moles. Mole is equals to mass of a substance over the molar mass of a substance, over the molar mass, molecular mass of a substance, or formula mass. So we have to find the molar mass. How do we find the molar mass? We have to find the total masses of these elements which are found in sodium carbonate. Okay, so sodium has a mass number of 23. You check from the periodic table. Then in this formula, we have 2 sodium, so 23 times 2. We have carbon, which is equals to 12. We have oxygen, which is equals to 16. Then times 3. Okay, this is giving us 46. 46, and this is just 12. And we have 16 times 3, I think it gives us 48. Okay, yes, 48. So 48. Now we need to add these two numbers and these three numbers. We have 48 plus 12 plus 46. Okay, it's giving us 106. So the molecular mass of this compound is 106. That's the molecular mass or formula mass, perhaps. So now we can find the mass of this sodium carbonate. The number of moles, remember, we know we have found it to be 0.075. So where there is more, we are putting the 0.075. So we have 0.075 is equals to mass, what we are looking for, over the molar mass, which is 106. So we have 106 times 0.075. It is giving us a mass is equals to 7.95 grams. So this is the mass of sodium carbonate which is required to prepare 250 cubic centimeters whose concentration is 0.3. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Please consider subscribing and turn on that notification bell so that you can be the first person to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.